Imagine soaring through the air, gliding effortlessly over a city steeped in history and culture. The wind carries with it whispers of stories untold, secrets hidden in the cobblestone streets below. The wind whispering tales of centuries past, weaving through the spires and rooftops as if narrating the city's journey through time. Below, a city unfolds like a map brought to life. Edinburgh, the beating heart of Scotland. Its streets, like veins, pulse with the energy of its people, connecting the past to the present. From this vantage point, I see a captivating blend of ancient and modern, a testament to time's passage. The juxtaposition of old stone facades and sleek glass structures tells a story of resilience and reinvention. Grey stone buildings, touched by the golden hue of history, stand proudly alongside sleek contemporary structures. The sunlight dances on their surfaces, illuminating the city's timeless charm. This is a city that wears its heritage with grace, inviting exploration from every angle, especially from the sky. From above, Edinburgh reveals its soul, a harmonious blend of tradition and progress, waiting to be discovered. Edinburgh isn't just a city, it's a living storybook. Every corner, every cobblestone whispers tales of the past, while the hum of modern life adds a vibrant rhythm to its streets. It seamlessly blends its rich past with a vibrant present. From the towering spires of ancient churches to the sleek lines of contemporary design, the city is a masterpiece of contrasts. Below, the bustling Royal Mile cuts through the heart of the old town, a reminder of medieval times. This historic street, alive with performers, shops and visitors, is a living testament to the city's enduring charm. Yet just beyond, the gleam of glass from modern buildings reflects the city's progressive spirit. These structures stand as symbols of innovation, blending effortlessly with the surrounding heritage. This harmonious coexistence is what makes Edinburgh truly special. It's a city where the past and present are not in conflict, but in conversation, creating a unique and inspiring atmosphere. It's a city that honors its heritage while embracing the future, a place where history is not just preserved but celebrated. Here, every building, every street, and every view tells a story, inviting you to be part of its ever-evolving narrative. From my aerial perch, Edinburgh Castle dominates the skyline. Perched atop an extinct volcano, its imposing presence speaks volumes of its strategic past. I drift eastward, following the Royal Mile, a historic thoroughfare that connects the castle to the palace of Holyrood House. This palace, nestled at the foot of Arthur's Seat, has witnessed centuries of royal drama and intrigue. Speaking of Arthur's Seat, this ancient volcano offers panoramic views of the city that are simply breathtaking. Edinburgh is a feast for the senses, a city that begs to be explored. Its charm lies not just in its iconic landmarks, but in the stories etched into every corner, every cobblestone, and every breathtaking view. From the imposing grandeur of Edinburgh Castle, standing as a sentinel of history, to the regal elegance of Holyrood Palace, where centuries of royal intrigue unfolded, each landmark whispers tales of a fascinating past. These structures are more than just buildings. They are storytellers, narrating the saga of a city that has witnessed the march of time. And let's not forget the breathtaking natural beauty of Arthur's Seat, a dormant volcano that offers a serene escape from the city's hustle. Its lush greenery and panoramic views remind us that adventure is just a climb away, waiting to reward those who seek it. This unique blend of history, culture, and natural splendor makes Edinburgh a truly unforgettable destination. It's a city where the past and present coexist harmoniously, creating a vibrant tapestry that captivates every visitor. So come, wander through its cobbled streets where every step echoes with history. Lose yourself in the enchanting tales of the Royal Mile, and let the magic of this captivating Scottish gem unfold before your eyes. Edinburgh is not just a place to visit, it's a place to experience, to feel, and to remember.